For example, when we enter a name Mother Teresa, a scanf function allows only the string of mother. The remainder of the word will not be stored in the respective variable. To avoid this kind of difficulty, we have to use a special function called gets, which will be discussed in the upcoming lesson. Well, let us see the syntax of the functions of printf and scanf. In this syntax, both functions are taken as two arguments, format string and list of variables. The format strings are used to determine the input or output data type. A list of variables indicates variables which have data. The printf is a name of the function which allows printing the output. If you look at the scanf syntax, an ampersand symbol is placed in front of the list of variables. This indicates the address of value. That means when we give an input, the value will be stored in the address because each variable has a separate memory location. There is no need to put in the printf function. To understand more about printf and scanf functions, take a look at this sample code. In this sample code, we have used #include, which is used to include stdio.h. It contains many input and output functions, printf and scanf. And here's the main function which starts the execution. The void keyword denotes that the main should not return any value. Here's an integer variable called age. Then we'll print a text message called enter your age using the printf function. And here we print an integer value to age variable. As we discussed earlier, %d is a format string which indicates an integer. Here in this line, we print age with my age text. Then compile the code using the Alt F9 shortcut key. Click OK to close the compiler window. The compilation is finished, so run the code using the Control F9 shortcut key. And here's the output window. Now type in your age. And then press the Enter button. This is your age, which you've entered. I hope you're now familiar with the printf and scanf functions. More about the input and output functions will be discussed in upcoming lessons.